The Panasonic LUMIX GH5S camera is a professional-grade 4K digital camera featuring a 10.2 megapixel mirrorless camera with a high-sensitivity MOS sensor. This camera boasts an impressive C4K or 4K UHD 422 10-bit recording capability, offering over 29 LUMIX and LEICA compact lens options. The GH5S is designed for high performance, durability, mobility, and low light gathering, making it ideal for professional cinematic and anamorphic 4K video production. It comes pre-installed with 4K HDR hybrid log gamma and Panasonic's V-LogL, with features like timecode sync, waveform, vector scopes, and programmable zebra patterns. The camera supports a high-resolution 21mm 0.76x OLED eye viewfinder, and for connectivity convenience, it includes a full-size HDMI terminal, USB-C 3.1 socket, twin SD card slots, and 3.5mm microphone and headphone terminals. The GH5S is also designed with a rugged splash or freeze-proof body, making it durable for heavy use in the field.